So you're moving out of state in a few months and you need to sell your home and you're wondering to yourself, what do I need to do? So on this video today, I'm going to cover with you the key points to consider in order for you to sell your home fast, for top dollar, and with the least amount of hassle. Stay tuned. Hey guys, I'll be posting new videos weekly. So if you're new here, please subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss out on any new videos. And don't forget, any questions that you have, comment below and I'll get back to you. That's a very good question there, Karen. The first thing is, do you need to buy first or do you need to sell first? Because depending on what you need to do, my advice will be totally different. If you say, hey, John, I definitely cannot move to, I don't know where you're moving to because she didn't tell me, but let's just say that she's moving to California, right? And Karen, I have no idea where you're moving to, so I apologize, but let's just say that you're moving to California and you say, John, I definitely cannot secure a new home in California until I sell first. I cannot buy anything out there until I sell here. Then my suggestion would be, let's talk, let's figure out what to do here. Are there any kind of upgrades and updates you can do right now that you can still enjoy that are not going to break the bank, that's going to get you more value for your home, right? What we're finding is repainting the house, for example. Those kind of things you can do now. You don't have to go on the market yet, but you can prepare the house, right? Another thing you can do is if your kitchen's outdated, if your bathroom's totally outdated, if you have wallpaper all around your kitchen, right? Things like that we can start working on because, you know what, summer's not that long from now. If you're moving, for example, Karen, if you're looking to move mid when schools are over, then in middle of June, you want to be on the market by the beginning of by beginning of May, and beginning of May is not that long from now. It's like a month, 5-6 weeks from now, and so you may need those 5 to 6 weeks to prepare the house, to get the house ready. If that's something that you want to do, we can help with that. Like we have our interior designers, our team of interior designers who can go out to your house and give you a list of things, minor things that you can do to get maximum value when you sell your home. And another thing, if you're concerned about COVID-19, we're doing the design consultations virtual. So we'll do it through a Zoom meeting and or a FaceTime, and you're gonna walk us through your home, and we'll give you advice based on the virtual tour that you give us. We'll give you those advice as well. So we don't have to go to your house. We'll make sure we're responsible, and we'll just do everything virtually. Okay. So if you need to sell first, that's my suggestion. Let's get your the things that you need to do to get maximum value for your home out of the way, right? Get that list, because you know what? It may take longer than you think. It maybe in your mind it's only going to take a week or 2 weeks to get the house ready. But guess what? If you've lived in your home for a long time, you're going to find a lot of things that you haven't seen in a long time, and you got to pack a lot of those things away anyways. So it's never too early to get ready to sell your house, even though you don't really need to move until the summer. Now, if you say, hey, John, I got to move, like I can buy first before selling my current home, then that's a different conversation, right? So I would say get yourself pre-qualified, find out what your buying power is, what you're qualified to do, what your budget's gonna be. And then my other suggestion is, if you're gonna be going and scouting the area you're gonna be living in, that you're gonna be moving to, find out which neighborhoods you love. Ask around, but find out which neighborhoods you love. So at least once we sell your home here, you already know which areas you want to move to, whatever state you're going to be moving to. Okay. Another reason why it's important to, again, even though Karen, you're not moving until the summer, and doing this kind of right now, is there are not that many homes in inventory. Okay. So while you're getting your home ready, and a lot of you have been following me for many years, we have a program called Buyers in Waiting. So while you're getting your house ready, we're not just doing nothing like twiddling our thumbs, waiting for you to actually be ready to go on the market for photos and all that stuff. While you're getting the house ready, you're getting the kitchen done, you're pulling down your wallpaper, getting the house painted, and all that jazz. you authorize us, and we're gonna start calling all of our buyers. We're gonna start telling all of our buyers that your home's coming on the market, that your home is coming on the market for in a specific time period. And we'll, if for example you're a townhouse versus you're a single family versus whatever, or a condo, we'll check we have 22,000 buyers in our database. We'll check who's actually matching up with your home style. All right, so we'll get you connected, and then we go from there. So while you're getting your house ready, even though you're not moving till the summer, what if we can line up multiple buyers who are interested? How cool would that be? What if you don't even have to go on the market, because we do all the hard work while you're getting the house ready, and we get you multiple buyers. And listen, if you have one buyer falling in love with your home, you know what's going to happen? They're going to fight you on price. They're going to make you an offer, and they're going to negotiate on the price, the terms. But when you work with us, we're gonna do all the hard work up front. All right, and our goal is to get you multiple buyers falling in love with your home, even though you're not even on the market yet. We're gonna get multiple buyers falling in love with your home, and if you have 2 buyers or 3 buyers falling in love with your home all at the same time, you know what happens? They fight each other. They will be struggling against each other, trying to win your house. And by the time the offer comes to you, you know what happens? I'd be like, Karen, congratulations, I got you an offer, but not just an offer, the best offer. Because before it came to us, multiple buyers had already negotiated on the terms and get you a better deal.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please press like and don't forget to subscribe.